That is why you are so great, Lord God. No one can compare to you. No God expect you. Just as we have always heard with our own ears. 2 Samuel 7:22. God is great. God is good. Never allow someone else's opinion on God. Second guess your opinion on God. God is amazing. Je dis que Dieu est bon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Afi Elizabeth here, and I'm back again with another video. You gonna smile? Hello? Yo, smile. Say hi. Do something. Thank you. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing my hair. Je vais faire mes cheveux. Je vais vous montrer le style. I'm gonna start off with Olive Miracle, and I'm gonna pour that on to my hair. My hair is freshly washed. J'ai lavé mes cheveux. Mes cheveux sont en train de grandir. Oui, sukizoko la mama. My hair is growing, mama. I'm actually doing this process of actually caring for my hair this time around. So yeah, we're gonna be moisturizing my hair. I take moisturizing my hair very seriously now because I'm trying to grow my hair out, like I told you. So the product I'm gonna be using is that, and then I'm gonna add some African Best Herbal Growth. I've been using this since middle school, and it's by far my favorite product. J'utilisais mon African Best, comment on dit en français? I like it. It's cute. C'est bien. Ça m'aide avec faire grandir mes cheveux. I'm gonna massage it everywhere, and I'm gonna make sure that I separate my hair. I don't just just put it on my hair. Like I separate. I do sections at a time. So I'm gonna add it to my edges because I've lost hair. J'ai perdu les cheveux devant parce que j'avais mis les mèches. Ça dirait. C'est pas bien si tu laisses des mèches de dirait. Ça va faire couper tes cheveux. Dang, girl. And this is how it looks. It looks cute. We look cute. So yeah, where you going? Oh, okay, we're getting a comb. So now I'm gonna just comb my hair out, and you guys gonna witness the process from here on out. So with this process right here, what I did was I separated my hair like I told you guys before. J'ai séparé mes cheveux, and I'm gonna grease my scalp. Je vais mettre, tu vois ça, je fais ça, oui. And I'm gonna be using the main choice oil growth, and I actually mixed it with like castor oil, so it's like everything is like mixed together. I'm gonna moisturize my fronts, my ends, and I'm just gonna try to make sure my hair is moist. So listen, the hair, I'm tender-headed. I don't know why I decided to wait till my hair dry, but it was a struggle, okay? So we finally combed through. Ce que ça m'a cassé, mais ça si ça dire pour sécher, ça me donne un problème. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna separate my hair. I do this because it's a lot more helpful for me. Am I cute? Girl, you is cute. T'es vraiment mignon. And this helps me out. So for the front style, I'm gonna go ahead and separate my front because I'm gonna be braiding my front and like do the style that is in the front. For the front, I'm gonna braid it. Je vais séparer. Now this part was the part where I showed you guys my mess up. J'ai montré que j'avais pas fait ça bien. So this is how it's gonna look. Don't do it like this. This is not cute. Faut pas faire ça comme ça. C'est pas mignon. Ça va bien être, c'est pas joli. Ça va pas venir. Ça va pas se montrer comme si c'est joli. Ça va pas être joli. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna take my time. Prends ton temps quand tu fais ça. I'm gonna zigzag. Very nice. So I zigzagged. Very, very nice. I looked at myself and I said, "Oh, ça c'est bien. C'est bien ça." I looked at it and I was like, "Yes, that's pretty." So basically, that's how the taking your time look like. Your zigzag look like this, like that. Ooh, like that. Yeah, like that. It looks cute. Comme ça. Ça c'est bien. That's a pro zigzag. You see that? That's a pro zigzag. So yeah, so I'm just going to zigzag my hair, and then I'm going to take water and I'm going to brush my hair, and then we're going to get the braiding. So that's a self-explanatory type of thing. So I'm going to let you guys watch this process, and I'm going to get off here. Je vais vous laisser regarder. Je vais arrêter de parler. done. Now that I'm done with the braid, j'ai fini plissé, I'm going to get a bottle of water and I'm just gonna detangle my hair. Well, not detangle, it's already detangled, but I'm gonna make it easier for my gel to lay low. Je vais mouiller mes cheveux un peu avant que je mette mon gel. I'm using Gorilla Gorilla Snot Gel. Okay. Normally I use a chew. Watch. This chew. No, it's not funny. Sorry. Normally I use what is it? Got2b gel or Got2b glue when I lay my hair for ponytail. But I ran out. So avant j'utilise mon normal, j'utilise mon Got2b glue gel, mais j'avais pas ça. Well, c'est fini. So yeah. So I'm just gonna section my hair like I did, and I'm gonna get each section little by little. Je prends un peu les parties là c'est j'ai séparé. J'utilise ça. Je vais tu regardes maman, tu regardes. So I'm just gonna use. This is really helpful if you have thick hair. Si tu as beaucoup de cheveux, si tu fais ça, ça va être un peu facile que prendre tout tes chinos une fois. It's a lot more easier if you have a lot of hair. I definitely recommend you doing this type of method because it will actually make your ponytail lay a lot smoother and flatter. You see what I'm doing right there? You see that? So as picky as I am with my hairstyle, I had to re-braid that in because I felt like some hair was just caught into the mix. The cuteness is coming, guys. The cuteness is coming. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like. So I wish I stretched out my hair before I did this because right now my hair is at an awkward stage. So like the puffiness is just too much. It's just too much. But we are still cute though. We still cute. Look at you. Who is that? Is that me? I don't know. But I'm gonna be using my Easy Hair pre-stretched braids. These are 54 inches. It didn't come like normal hair come. So c'était pas comme le normal mesh. Normally braided hair come with like a little elastic thing, so you don't really have to do this, but this one didn't. So I had to do it myself. Souvent quand tu achètes them, look at my nails. I was so serious about my nails. I was like, I hope I did not. I just got them done. But normally quand tu achètes le mesh, ça vient avec les élastiques là, c'est que ça plie, mais cette fois-ci c'était pas venu avec ça. C'est pour ça que j'avais fait ça moi-même. So now I'm just going to take my hair and I'm going to braid it. The reason why I did this is because one, my hair wasn't pre-stretched, and two, the puffiness was going to make the style that I was going for look bad. Now, if you have longer hair, this version will probably be the easiest thing for you because your hair is longer. Because my hair is a little bit on the awkward, stage, I had to do this so I can like lay low everything. J'ai dit que mon cheveu c'est un peu de grandir, c'est pour ça que fallait que na ça là oil parce que si j'avais seulement mis ça comme ça voulait usar aqui tout côté. Si tu as beaucoup de cheveux, tu n'as pas besoin de faire ça. Ça dépend de toi-même. So this style took about 4 packs, I think, of braiding hair. 3 or 4 packs of braiding hair. J'ai utilisé 3 ou 4 paquets de mesh. So yeah, so now I'm just going to take another pack and I'm going to do some big braids and I'm going to braid it and I'm going to turn it around. And it's going to be a repeated pattern. Je vais faire ça toute la vidéo. Tu vas seulement regarder. J'ai utilisé 4, je vais répéter. So just watch and it's basically self-explained. So I'll be right back. we're back like we never left, and we back like we never left. You thought I left you? No, shorty, I've always been here. So now I'm gonna be doing my my ponytail. Will you marry me, Effie? I love you, girl. Yes, I will marry you. Yes, look, y'all. Oh no, that wasn't funny either. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna be using my scrunchies. I think that's what you call it. Je vais utiliser mes chouchous, huh? So I feel like it's time that add some colors. I'm not a chouchou person, but this time around I figured why not do something different. So I went to the dollar store and I got some colorful, chouchou scrunchies, and I decided to add it on there, give me that nice 90s vibe, something that my sister does. I don't do this type of stuff. I'm very plain and simple, but today I was like, be different. So on to the edges. I'm going to be using my Gorilla Snot Gel edges, and I'm going to be using this edge brush that has like a comb at the end. God bless whoever made this. Je vais fermer le cheveux de bébé, de bébé cheveux. So j'ai utilisé cette comb ici, ça va m'aider. So with my edges, I kind of want it to be like, that 90s vibe. So like, I didn't want everything to go like the same direction. So I kind of like swooped it to the side, and I swooped it to the left, and I swooped it to the right. So yeah, j'ai fait ça. Je voulais pas que ça parle direction moko. Je veux pas que ça parle la même direction. C'est pour ça que j'ai fait ça comme ça. If you are inspired by doing your edges like that, go ahead, sis. Who inspired you? I did. Yes, I did. You probably saw it in somebody else's tutorial too. So if you are new, je t'ai aidé. So this is basically how it's gonna look. I showed you guys one side because there's no purpose of me showing you guys the other side because it's already done. Je vais seulement vous montrer cette side ici. This is how it looks. The hair looks nice. I still have it on as we speak. I like it. It's really cute. I hope you guys like this video, and je pense que vous avez aimé. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment, like it, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.